All right, now we're going to look at estimating products. Meg has to take candy for her Halloween carnival at school. She bought 13 bags of candy. Each bag contains 142 pieces of candy. What is a reasonable estimate for the number of pieces of candy Meg bought? What is a reasonable estimate? When we see reasonable estimate, that tells us we're going to round. Now remember, when we estimate a solution, we have to round the numbers before we solve. We cannot round after. It works sometimes, but most of the time it doesn't. Meg has to take candy for her Halloween carnival at school. She bought 13 bags of candy. Each bag contains 142 pieces of candy. What's a reasonable estimate for the number of pieces of candy Meg bought? Okay, we know 13 bags. We know 142 pieces of candy. And we want to know pieces of candy. Now, first we round 142. When we multiply, we always round to the leading digit, which means we always round to the very first digit. So 2 can become, a 1 can become 2 or stay at 1. 4 and 2 will become zeros. I'm rounding to the leading digit. 5 or more raise the score. 4 less let it rest. Since that's a 4, it's going to let it rest, which means 142 rounds to 100. 13 is going to round to 10. Now I can multiply, and remember, use trailing zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros, and then 1 times 1 is 1. A reasonable estimate for the number of pieces of candy she bought is 1,000.